I really don't want to spend more than $1,000.
I understand. $1,000 is a lot for you. I'd like to propose something else. I'll do the video for you for free. If we get the results that you want, I'd like a percentage of the results. Can we do that? No risk to you at all.
That sounds fantastic. What's the percentage that you're thinking?
We're talking about measuring the difference between traffic and revenue that you get. There's lots of things I can't control. So all I want to do is get paid per new customer that walks in your door. How about, since you say each customer is going to spend $100 with you, let's go half, $50. No risk to you. I take all the risk, and I rely on your honesty. What's the hesitation?
I'm concerned that you're going to make a banger video, and then we're going to get a lot of clients in the door, and then I'm going to be out 50% of that revenue. What if it exceeds 1,000?
It's got to exceed 1,000. That's the whole point. I take all the risk. Or you can just pay me what I'm worth, and you keep all the profit.
So close to saying I could have earned some respect from you and tell you how I really feel, what I really need. But you never know, you never showed it. I didn't get the call, my phone never blew up. I got caught up trying to fall in love. Hold up with my best drug. But the ship has sailed too far. I've been running. Me and my song. So low, love, without you I feel like I'm flying up, but it's gravity on me flying. Just to say, alright. When I saw you walking by, I didn't fucking know why. I got butterflies.